Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Immerse yourself in the meticulous world of grass and shrubbery maintenance with the HiMac Extreme XL. This advanced machine redefines the precision and efficiency of mowing, ensuring pristine outdoor spaces. The HiMac Extreme XL combines cutting-edge technology with expert engineering to seamlessly cut grass and trim shrubbery in various landscaping applications. Whether it's urban parks, roadside greenery, or expansive landscapes, this equipment plays a pivotal role in enhancing the aesthetic appeal and overall maintenance of outdoor environments. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Stump grubbing is an important step in land clearing and landscaping. This complex process combines precision and power to effectively remove stumps from the ground. Skilled professionals use specialized equipment and technology to remove stumps while minimizing disruption to the surrounding landscape. Whether it's preparing a construction site for new construction or rejuvenating green spaces for landscape projects, stump grubbing plays a key role in transforming land and improving the overall aesthetics of our environment. This remarkable technology contributes to the creation of functional and visually appealing landscapes. Dive into the world of press forging, a fascinating manufacturing process that combines precision and power. This intricate operation involves shaping and transforming metal objects by applying immense pressure. Skilled experts utilize specialized machinery such as hydraulic presses or mechanical presses to craft intricate and durable components for various industries. From automotive parts to aerospace components, press forging plays a pivotal role in producing high-quality and reliable metal products. Are you related to agriculture in any way, or have you seen the press forging technology with your own eyes? Write in the comments below the video. It'll be interesting to read. Discover the intriguing process of pumpkin sorting with the poly plow. This essential operation combines precision and efficiency to sort pumpkins based on various characteristics like size, weight, and quality. Utilizing advanced technology and specialized equipment, the poly plow streamlines the sorting process, ensuring that only the finest pumpkins make their way to the market. From pumpkin farms to distribution centers, this machine plays a pivotal role in providing consumers with top-quality pumpkins for culinary delights and seasonal decor. Explore the world of firewood harvesting, a fundamental process for ensuring a sustainable source of heating and energy. This operation blends precision and efficiency to cut and prepare firewood for various purposes, from heating homes to fueling fireplaces and stoves. Advanced machinery and expert techniques play a pivotal role in optimizing the efficiency of firewood harvesting, ensuring minimal waste and environmental impact. From dense forests to rural homesteads, this process supports self-sufficiency and responsible land management practices. Stay tuned to learn more about advanced technologies and their profound impact on various industries. Enter the world of wood chipping with the Musmax WT10 XL. It is a high-performance wood chipper that transforms logs and wood into workable chips and billets with high precision and speed. Advanced technology and professional engineering ensure consistent and uniform wood processing, making it suitable for a wide range of applications such as heating, energy production, landscaping, and compositing. This machine stands out for its ability to minimize waste and optimize the use of wood resources, supporting sustainable development while providing valuable wood materials for a variety of needs. Delve into the world of concrete pouring with the Gomaco Commander 3 4-track barrier. This essential process combines precision and efficiency in the construction of concrete structures. The Gomaco Commander 3, equipped with advanced technology and expert engineering, ensures the seamless pouring of concrete, whether it's for highways, bridges, or other infrastructure projects. Its 4-track design allows for superior maneuverability and accuracy, contributing to the durability and longevity of concrete structures. It is crucial for precise and reliable concrete work, supporting the development of global infrastructure. Intrigued by the technology of pouring concrete structures? Share your thoughts below. Dive into the world of deep water operations with the Amphibex AE400E. This cutting-edge machine is engineered for precision and efficiency in demanding aquatic environments. Whether it's dredging, ice breaking, or maintaining waterways, the Amphibex AE400E plays a crucial role in ensuring the flow of water resources and safeguarding against flooding. From remote lakes to urban canals, these operations are essential for water management and environmental preservation. Ship unloading is a critical component of the global supply chain. This process involves carefully and efficiently transferring various types of cargo from ships to their intended destinations. Whether it's containerized goods or bulk cargo, the precise coordination of equipment and personnel is crucial. Advanced technology often comes into play to optimize this operation, ensuring that goods are swiftly and safely transported to markets and consumers. From major ports and bustling cities to more remote harbors, the significance of ship unloading cannot be overstated as it underpins global trade and commerce, facilitating the movement of goods across the world. Dive into the world of marble and decorative stone cutting, orchestrated by a lineup of advanced machinery featuring the JCB 3CX, Turner Fantini squaring chainsaw machine, BU-C70, and BU-CE70RA. This captivating process seamlessly blends precision and power, revealing the extraordinary capabilities of these cutting-edge tools. These machines redefine the artistry of craftsmanship by effortlessly merging technology and tradition, shaping the world of architecture and design with unparalleled beauty and creativity. Share your thoughts on this captivating fusion of innovation and artistry in the comments below. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!